Hey, Dr. Huffman here with Mounds View Chiropractic. Today we're going to be featuring this product called Collagen by Orthomolecular. This is a collagen support, which most people are familiar with collagen protein, but I wanted to share a few things about collagen that I like to instruct our patients on and that we use in our office to help patients have more success with it, and a little bit about what this product is specifically. So collagen in and of itself is a great protein. It supports good joint health, it supports skin and hair health, and so it obviously has a lot of health benefits. One of the most common things I see though is patients or people taking too much collagen protein per day. I really recommend keeping your collagen protein limited to about 5 to 10 grams per day. So if you're trying to supplement additional protein, I would recommend using other protein support in addition to the collagen. I like our patients to do 5 grams of this collagen per day. What this collagen has in it that's unique is as a specialized form of collagen that is more absorbable, and it also is complemented with magnesium and with hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid serves as the lubrication for your joints, and so this can help keep joint integrity even healthier. I've just personally seen within our practice that this particular collagen has been really helpful for patients with chronic joint pain. Patients respond very well to it, and you still get all those other health benefits of collagen. So this is something that I like to use to support joint health, to support skin and hair health, and we use this every day in our office. So if you have any questions on it, feel free to reach out to our office. I'd love to answer any questions for you, and have a great day.